Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a really quick haul for you guys because I haven't done one in quite a while. Not that I haven't been shopping, I just haven't done a haul video in a while. But this is from Frank Garcia's studio. I was there over the weekend. I need to pick up some supplies for an upcoming hop. So let me go ahead and jump in and share with you guys what I picked up. First, I got these bobbles. Sorry for that glare, but there are a ton of these, and these remind me of like mermaid or like unicorn. And these are different sizes of pearls, but they have no holes in them. Trying to get rid of that glare. I have a new lighting system and I didn't know there'd be so much glare on the plastic. Hopefully that's a little bit better. But this was $4.99. I also picked up 2 molds. I love these. I already have 2 of these IOD molds. Well, this one's redesigned and this one's IOD. I didn't take them out of the package. This one was $13.99. I don't know what they're called. But this one has very large, like, kind of remind me of keyholes, but they're not keyholes. Let's see. I wanted to create some more paper clay items for mixed media. So there's that one. And then this one, more like flourishes. And that one in the middle is huge. But I love these little scrolly flourish type items. So I got those 2 molds. And I love getting these because it's such a great investment to be able to make your own embellishments because, you know, the prepackaged ones are pretty expensive. Then I picked up some more Art Alchemy paints. I have been collecting these. Maybe I'll do a video swatching out the colors that I have, but I love these paints. So I got the rustic brown, and these all have like a metallic sheen to them. This one is sparkly, and this one is magical pond. I love these paints. And to continue on my obsession with the Art Alchemy waxes, these are a few of the colors that I was still missing. I do have a video coming up swatching out these waxes, so stay tuned for that. So this is the green brocade. This one is the blue velvet. And these are both Opal Magic. So it's not a opaque color, it's more, it has an opal sheen to it. And this one is the regular metallic. And this is the old silver. So I got those. I didn't go crazy. And the last thing I got is the new collection by Frank called Christmas in the Country. So I did just grab the 8x8 and a few of the accessories. So I'll share that with you really quick. So this collection has more of a rustic feel to it, so I'm excited to work with this for the upcoming season. I'm going to do a quick flip through. You get 30 sheets, 6 double-sided designs. Here is a collage sheet. I love how Frank collages items together. Here's another sort of collage sheet. And I love how many sheets that you get. Here's one with the cute little Santa in the corner. I love this one with the wreaths. There's some butterflies. I just love all the imagery that he uses. Here is a cut apart sheet. So pretty. I can't wait to use this. It's like a cut apart sheet. And this one looks like a photograph. I love that red barn right there. And those are the A sides. I will quickly show you the back. And these are great for layering. I love this buffalo check. And this one is probably one of my favorites. It's very non-Christmas, but I love flowers. And this one is actually one of my other favorites. I just love the red tones and this wood paneling. And then here is the one with some deer and more of the florals. So super cute collection. I cannot wait to use this. I did get a package of the Ephemera. This comes with 42 pieces. He does have 2 separate Ephemera packs. I only picked up this one. This is what comes in this pack. I picked up the 4x6 journaling cards. These are double-sided as well. These are just great to use. You can make cards with these, quick and easy. Use them for mini albums. And I love that they're double-sided. I'm not doing a great flip through. So I apologize for that. Look how cute. Look how cute that would be on just a front of card. And you're done. So those are the 4x6 cards. I did pick up one of the flowers per se. These are the Hollies. You get 18 pieces. I fell in love with this when I saw this. So I grabbed a package of these. And I also picked up the chipboard stickers. They are so super cute. I love the hint of like the blue minty color. And of course, the pink. And here is the other side. And lastly, I just picked up a couple of the 12x12s. These are foiled. You know I had to get this one in the 12x12. And then this one with the wreaths and the Santa. Here's the back of that. This one, I love the gold foiling. So pretty. And I love this back page too. I love like the red Christmas tree. And then the last sheet that I picked up is the cut aparts. Of course, with the gold foiling. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then that's the back. So that is what I picked up over at Frank Garcia's studio. Hope you guys will go check out his website. I will leave that link in the description box below. Let me know what your favorite item was that I picked up, or maybe it's something that you've already been using and you love. Let me know in the comments below. I will be back with another video real soon. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.